that's the other apartment there. Townhouses, nice. Anybody who has the opportunity to come and tour these houses, I would definitely encourage you to do so. All right, so this is what the entrance looks like. So, you know, nice little curb appeal, and I think they're going upstairs now, so we're gonna go in. All right, so when you guys come in here, we're talking about this setup right here. Look at the living room. So this is a stage unit, and I'm happy that we are able to see the stage unit. Right in here, you have the water heater. You have this nice little setup, living room, very nice and cozy. TV, not too big, very nice. Yes, you can. This is the dining area. All right, curtain, you know it already. And then we have the powder room right here. So nice. Nice little powder room. Somebody come to your place, they don't have to be coming upstairs to use your bathroom. Nice little powder room. All they need is a face basin, a sink, and a toilet. They don't need no shower. So the door is actually very nice. Then we have the range. Yes, we have the range here. Okay, nice little kitchen, man, not gonna lie, just cute. You have your storage area right here. You have, you know, your sink, your two what do you call this, sink. There's a window to your backyard. You can watch your kids. As I said, I love the privacy of the picket fence. It's so nice. Your neighbor's gonna have the curtains up, so you're not gonna be able to see up in that place. But that's your storage area right there, your countertop, and your additional storage here. Again, we have the Lazy Susan in the corner right here, so it maximizes on storage. We're able to store a lot of things here. Okay, so you can put your stuff in there and you're not wasting any space, because we hate when the space wastes. Of course, you don't have to put anything under there but cleaning supplies. And I love that we have storage beside the stove, you know. Sometimes you need that. There's a drawer with system, so we have that. Very nice. And then on the outside, right off here, you see a sliding doors. But why is the door open and the AC is here? You have the patio on the outside, which I feel is very nice. Nice little space. Okay, nice little space here. And we have the grill. Look at this. This wasn't here the last time that I came here, so I feel like that's so nice. We have the grill right here, you know, as added protection. And you know, you can put up two little sheer curtains here if you don't really want. But what I love is that we have the washer and dryer thing right here on the outside. So nice. So, you know, you wash your clothes, you dry them, or if you're the type that wants to have a line, you know, whatever you want to place at, you can put the line outside. And of course, the yard is a decent size. This is one of the end units, so it's a little bit bigger than the ones on the inside. All right, go upstairs. I love this window right here. Let me tell you something. You see this window at the foot of the staircase is like life. So first of all, you can see a property early in the morning. It gives a vibe, all right? And it illuminates the place for you to go upstairs. You have the light at the staircase. This bedroom. First of all, there are AC. You can install the AC, and I'm telling you, based on how the system is set up, the AC can cool the entire yard. So we have this unit right here, 2 beds. But what I love is the double door closet, or the double entrance closet. So we have a closet here that you can enter from 2 sides, and it goes all the way up. So you can have, you know, for me, I have a girl and a boy, so they can both hang their clothes in different spaces. Don't touch anything. All right, and then of course they have their own bathroom. And what I love about the bathroom is this high ceiling. Look here, and that window. Look here, don't play with me. The ceiling is so high, I've never seen in a bathroom. We have the master bedroom. Look at this closet. Okay?
I'm staying here.
Look at this closet.
Yes, here is so cool.
So nice. Look at the ceiling again, the high ceiling. I think that's a detector of some sort, I do believe. And then, you know, you have your curtains right here. Remember I told you about the privacy of your neighbors and so on. So you have your curtains, but not only that, you have your balcony. Balcony that you can step onto, and you know you can see your neighbors. And I love the grill detail for the added protection. I absolutely love. You can see your neighbor, and just to show you how far they go down, and it just depends on where you live. There's a plug again for you to charge. It's all about charging your phone and the devices and anything. Come back in. This is the view. So nice. Come inside. All right, and then of course your ensuite bathroom. Look at the drawers, but we have double sink, we have the toilet, and of course we have the shower that you enter from here. Coming in, it's so cozy, so nice, so comfy. And then this is the back, so that's Bucktown there. It's a nice property. We're talking about parking on this side for persons who are coming in and whatever. So this is your parking for your house. Same 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and yeah, the property is gonna be used for other things, so you know. We're talking about really nice setup. Overall, it goes down a little bit. This one is lower, and you are on the ground. So in contrast to the apartments where you're up and you're seeing the view all the way over, down here, so you're just kind of down to earth in a sense. But it's still a different view from if you were, say, driving on Bucktown or whatever. This is definitely a different view of the Ensom area altogether. It's a different view, all right? So it's nice, and we talk about that area here. I mean, you can do whatever you want with this area, whether you want to put curtains or whatever, it's up to you. But we talk about this area where the light is coming in. I feel like that area is so essential. The view from the property, on the property, and that's the roof up there. So this is the view leaving the property. So this is what you'd see coming out of the property. Shopping area, there's gonna be restaurants, and there's gonna be one of everything basically, in a sense. So different when you're actually on the property opposed to when you're outside and you're just looking, you know what I mean? Like, let's go down there and check it out, because we actually passed the other part already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. It's like a dream come true.